In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your Shopify store settings effectively. Whether you're just starting with Shopify or looking to refine your setup, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the journey. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to go to your Shopify store's homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all of your store's functions. Think of it as the control room for your online business where you can monitor sales, track orders, and handle customer inquiries. Once you're there, the next step we need to take is clicking on Settings. You'll find this option at the bottom left of your screen, and it's crucial because it acts as the gateway to all the customizable options for your store. Settings are where you can tweak everything from general information to the specifics of your shipping rates, so it's definitely a section you'll be visiting frequently. After clicking on Settings, you'll want to direct your attention to the Users and Permissions section. This is the area where you can manage the different users who have access to your store. Here, you can adjust permissions, add new staff members, or even revoke access if necessary. This function is particularly handy when you have a team where each member has specific roles, ensuring that everyone has the right access appropriate to their responsibilities. It also helps keep your store secure by managing who can change what. Next, let's head over to Security. This is an essential part of managing any online store. Proper security settings ensure that your store, your data, and your customers' information remain protected from unauthorized access. Here, you can implement and manage two-factor authentication, which is highly recommended for an additional layer of security. You can also monitor login sessions and activity, highlighting any irregularities that might need your attention. This step is about safeguarding both your business and your customers. Now, let's talk about collaborators. Collaborators are external partners or freelancers to whom you've given limited access to your store. This section is invaluable when you temporarily need help from outside your immediate team, such as a developer or a marketer. You can control what parts of your store they have access to, ensuring that they can only reach the areas necessary for them to perform their tasks. Once their job is complete, removing or adjusting permissions is quick and straightforward, maintaining the security and privacy of your store. And there you have it. These steps form the backbone of managing your Shopify store settings. By mastering these, you ensure that your store runs smoothly and securely, tailored to the needs of your business. Remember, investing time in managing your settings properly can save you time and trouble down the line. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.